Audrey Martignat. I'm a product development engineer for Beverage BU. My typical day is a lot of interaction with my colleagues in R&D team to discuss about project review, experimental plan, the results that we obtain in the lab. I have also interaction with the plant to transfer the paper from the lab to the paper machine. And I have also interaction with the sales team and customer to understand the needs of the customer and the market. I work on the development of a beverage product without plastic fibers, but having the same physical properties. The challenge is that this type of paper have low basis weight, between 12 to 25 GSM, so it's difficult to remove plastic fibers without decrease too much the physical properties. Our final product, it's easy, it's a coffee pod, tea bags. In my work, the aim is to help customers to be more sustainable. I work to develop this kind of product, so tea bag or a coffee pod, to achieve heat-sealability and home-compostability without plastic fibers, but with only bio-based raw materials. The innovation is the key of our work, because without innovation we can't remove plastic fibers and achieve the same physical properties than with plastic. Oh, yes, it's good. A lot of our customer is in Europe, but we have also from America and India, so we need to work with international view with all standards, Europe standard, American standard, to develop the product. Everyone is concerned about sustainability, and we have to innovate to keep a sustainable world. The last one I heard is Jungly, Petit Génie.
Audrey, thank you.
Thank you.